Hey YouTube, hey, I was digging through some things at the house today and I found this in the crawl space, what I'm going to call the last unopened can of Budwine Soda. Makes you glad you're thirsty. An old-fashioned cherry soda. Well, it's sad. I mean, I could open this up and drink it, you know? I probably will one day. And I think when I do, it will be because we're going to try and copy the recipe. You know, a lot of people speculate that the reason why Budweiser bought out Budwine was so that they could control the logo. Well, that's fine, but why can't you publish the recipe so we can make this at home? Well, the person who's come closest to copying this is Dublin Bottling Works out of Dublin, Texas, who've manufactured their new Dublin Red Soda. Man, that stuff is dynamite. And it's fantastic with ice cream, and it tastes really, really close to the way I remember this tasting. Hear that? Looking at some of the specs on there. I find it interesting that it says there's corn sweetener and regular sugar. It's like a blend. And it has caffeine. I tell you, one of these days, we're going to crack the code on this recipe. And I really do think that Dublin Bottling Works may have done it. Or something that replicates it very, very closely. We used to buy these at the old Sawtee store in Nacoochee Valley, Georgia. They were on that vending machine on the front porch of that place.